The D7000 makes flash photography easy by coming equipped with a built-in pop-up flash. In some of the point-and-shoot modes, the flash will pop up automatically whenever the camera determines that it's needed. In other point-and-shoot modes, the camera will never pop up the flash, and you can't pop it up manually either. However, when you're using any of the advanced modes, you can manually pop up the flash whenever you decide that you want to use it. Now, before we go on, let me say that the flash system of the D7000 can be as simple or as sophisticated as you want to make it. There are dozens of settings and controls that interact with each other in ways that are too complicated to fully explain in this guide. So I'm not going to attempt a complete explanation of all of the options. Let's just keep it simple and focus on the basics. You start by pressing the release button to pop open the flash. Now, once the flash is up, you can either take the photo or change the flash mode by holding down the flash mode button and rotating the main command dial to cycle through the 5 choices. Not all choices are going to be available in all the exposure modes. This display means front curtain sync. Front curtain sync is the normal style of flash synchronization because it fires the flash as soon as the shutter opens. It's the most basic flash mode and should be used for the majority of situations where a flash is needed. The next choice simply adds red-eye reduction to the fill flash mode. The next 2 modes are called slow sync with red-eye reduction and slow sync without red-eye reduction. These modes attempt to achieve a pleasing mix of ambient light and the much brighter light that's generated by the flash. Here's what I mean. On the left side is an image taken with the normal fill flash mode. The subject looks fine, but you have no sense of the surroundings because the flash has overpowered the ambient light. On the right side, we see what happens with slow sync. The camera was able to capture the subject along with the surroundings for a more natural look. The final flash mode is called rear curtain sync. When combined with a slow shutter speed, rear curtain sync can be used to capture realistic motion effects, such as streaks behind a moving subject, as seen here.